Mic test 1 2 1 2. We just pretty much had a flight to Hanoi.
Make sure you print your shit.
Yeah.
Because Jono forgot to print your visa.
I made the mistake.
And they don't accept electronic versions. So if you are traveling to Vietnam, maybe just print up all the documentation.
That was the most uncomfortable flight. It was quite a small plane and I was already uncomfortable, but Lyndon being like a size and a half of me, my knees already touching the seat. So his would have been like
yeah.
I needed to pee, but I just held it in. Yeah, it was pretty bad, but you can probably cut that part out.
Yeah.
And then we landed in Hanoi, went through our visa.
Took about an hour.
Yeah.
So after that we got into a Grab, drove to our hotel.
Crazy Grab driver. 10-20 minutes out into the ride, he just pulls over on the side, just starts messaging.
But he just got off some sort of highway. And then we pull over to the side, no one's in front of us. Cars are going by. We probably gave it like 5 minutes, like maybe he's just, you know, texting his mom.
Probably not.
Probably not. Then after 5 minutes I was like, hey man, like what's going on? And then he just looked at me, he's like, oh yeah. And then like he just
completely forgot about us in the back.
He was just texting on his phone and then he must have like forgot, or I don't know. Yeah. And then like he just carried on, so that was pretty cool. Checked into the Lapis Hotel.
As you can see behind us.
We have 2 beds, a TV and a bathroom.
Yeah. This room is actually not that bad. I think it's just the disappointing part is there's no windows or balcony.
Yeah.
Which we don't have no idea what time of the day it was.
Yeah, it was weird. I was like, when I woke up this morning, I was like, oh shit. I have no idea what time it is.
Yeah.
I don't want to look at my phone yet because I'm just like, ugh.
We're going to explore the lake today. We have a rooftop pool, infinity pool. So we'll eat first, come back and maybe do some drone footage.
Yeah. Updated.
Laters.
Whoa.
One meat.
One no meat.
We just flew our drone on the rooftop of our hotel. Pretty good, I think.
Pretty good?
Pretty good.
I'd say you did pretty well, like considering.
I think I had your help, so it was kind of like pretty good. But
no.
It was. We are heading back to Cafe Giang to have the egg coffee.
Yeah.
But this time we might try the cold one. I think we'll probably go back there tomorrow, to be honest, with Rachel.
Oh yeah, she has to try it.
She has to try it.
If you're watching this,
we'll have the
Rachel,
hot
we're already planning ahead just for you.
Yeah. We'll try whatever. We've got a massive list of food just based on foodies off YouTube's. And yeah, really keen. So good.
Take control now. Right. So fucking good.
Yeah.
We had this last night.
Yeah.
When you think you remember how it tastes, it's better than that. Normally, the second time round, things aren't like as good, but this just seems to keep hitting the spot. We're getting this every day, by the way. Established 1946. So this is the cold one.
Same thing, but like cold.
Yeah.
With ice. It's not that hot.
Hot?
Hot, sure.
Yeah, here we go. First taste is with cold. It's still nice.
Still not bad.
I'm in love with this. I don't know why you can't get this at home. Even if you don't drink coffee, you should just try this because it might like even get you on board with coffee.
4 cup, right?
Yeah.
100. Thank you.
Thank you.
The garlic and the chili in the bowls here, to my favorite. You can add little inside the soup. And you take little by little. Rice noodle, one by one the spring roll, and take only the top, the chunk of the leaf of the herb. Put inside the soup and you eat together.
This actually has one. You get one life.
is good.
very nice scenery. It looks like a lot of the animal, elephant, dolphin, and dragon, and lions, and jellyfish inside. Okay.
How was your flight?
It was really bad actually. I got caught up in a situation with the government officials and I had to give them a bribe. I don't know if this is even allowed on camera. We may have to edit that out.
Okay.
Just blur out my face actually. Blur out my face.
Okay,
Do that.
blurred. So Chrissy's having the egg coffee.
This is my first experience.
What place is this called?
Conifer coffee. It tastes like a meringue. Yeah, it's good though. I like it.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
We are currently on our way to Sabah. We're getting the 6-hour bus ride. This is our bus. So we all get our own like sort of capsule, and it's pretty cool. Except if you're a giant like me, you don't get much space. But that's okay because you know I'm happy with what I have, and I'm gonna go with it and just enjoy the luxuries of having a bed on a bus for 6 hours. It's not too bad. Like, at least you have your own privacy and you can do whatever you want. You can watch some TV, watch some Vietnamese stuff, and I don't know what else to say. We arrive around like 3 or 4 a.m. and we're gonna go straight to the hotel and check in. and probably just freshen up, have a shower, and have another sleep, because I don't think I'm going to sleep that much on this bus ride. There's a lot of potholes in Vietnam. That's one thing I've learned so far. Just a little tour of my room. A little control center here, turns, which is cool, but I won't be using those. You gotta take off your shoes as soon as you get onto the bus. That's one of their rules. They give you a bottle of water, a wet wipe, and yeah, let's just not talk about that. Hopefully we don't need to use that. Aduna, some air conditioning vents. We're heading to one of the coldest climates in the north part of Vietnam, so I'm a little bit worried about how cold it's gonna be. I'm gonna go try and sleep now. Bye for now. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention Chrissy has now joined our squad, and Jonathan is behind me in this room right here. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Alright, count to 10.
I ordered a Banh Mi chung, which is a egg roll. Yeah, pretty much.
Is that correct?
It was only 20,000 dongs, which is $1.30 or something like that.
What's you got 2 eggs there? Yeah. And it has
Excellent.
excellent. Oh. Happy birthday. Send the nudes.
I'm touching the roof.
We are heading up to Fansipan.
How's the weather looking?
Absolutely fabulously foggy.
This is what it looks like, everyone.
A white piece of paper. That's what the weather looks like.
We could have done this at home.
We could have.
Just dress up, wear
We
warm
could have
clothes,
just like
put the aircon on, and
we'll just get your screen up, your white screen.
yeah, the white
Sit in front
background.
of it, yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that later.
Draw some
We
black
can-
lines to make
we
it
can
look
just-
like we're in a cable car.
Yeah, we can imitate it for everyone at home.
Yeah, we'll invite Ben along. It's like he was on the serial.
Oh, the skim is. Oh, I don't want to look at that. Oh, I hate heights. Oh, I keep looking at it.
You don't actually hate heights, do you?
I actually do.
Really?
My whole body like tingles. So we just got to the summit of Fansipan. We have to walk up a few stairs to get to the top. Like the umbrella's not doing shit. Oh shit. Okay. How are you guys feeling?
Not feeling anything, to be honest.
This is actually scary. Yeah. Oh my god. Chrissy Tai, the famous photographer from Brisbane, is taking photos for the infamous Jonathan Wang of LJ Hooker, Sunnybank Hills. And we have Lyndon documenting this fabulous day of rain.
China, Vietnam.
Alright, here we go. Drop a sick one. Your hair's really wet.
My hair is drenched right now.
Jono, you seen her hair? It's really wet. What do you guys think?
Pretty interesting spot. Plenty of fog and mist. Rain, but nice experience. Can't say we haven't, well, can say now we've done Fansipan. Just not as fancy as I thought.
Yeah. I was just running around a bit and like, it's hard at this altitude to keep breathing normally. But that's probably because I'm being stupid up here.
Insert stupid clips.
Yeah, insert stupid clip. Ninja warrior from the Southeast Asia. Ding, 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 ding. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Look at this guy, like on the phone overseas, hustling.
Oh, we've got multiple offers on the property at the moment.
Oh shit!
Offer like
Oh,
multi-million. Okay, I'm done.